Welcome to Allie in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball Kilmer. Allie in the Valley is a lifestyle blog about healthy, delicious food, all while staying on a budget. Homegrown cooking, down-to-earth living. Hello, welcome back to Allie in the Valley. Allison Ball Kilmer here, and today I'm just going to do a really quick, simple salad. It's still the beginning of the year, and I'm still working on healthy food, easy food, stuff to clean my palate that your family will love. That takes 2 seconds to make. So I'm going to make a yummy citrus salad. Citrus salad, oranges, blood oranges, kiwi, citrus, whatever you have on hand. But I'm gonna take an orange. I kind of do 2 of everything. 2 oranges, 2 blood oranges, tangerines. I'm gonna put a little kiwi, some mint, some pomegranate, some honey, and orange juice, and a little bit of salt. So basically I've just cut up all my citrus, whatever citrus you can find, some kiwi, I put some mint on it. Now I'm just gonna make a quick little dressing. And the dressing is just gonna be orange, juice of an orange, and I'm gonna use a blood orange, and honey, and a little salt. That's it. Doesn't this look beautiful? Yum! I'm going to eat it. Then I mix the honey a little bit. There you go. That's your dressing. It's really easy to make and so delicious. There you go. I am going to put a little salt on here, sea salt. Not too much. Just to give it a little kick. And there you go. This is my citrus sauce with blood orange, regular orange, kiwi, pomegranate, mint with a citrus honey dressing. That salt really gives it something. Super delicious, super. And the taste of the mint. Love it. This is great for any brunch. If you just want a salad, if you just love citrus all year round. Full recipe, you know where to find it. www.alleyinthevalley.